Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I will show you all my CTM routine, which means cleansing, toning and moisturizing. As I have already done my cleansing at first by using this Neutrogenous Deep Clean Facial Cleanser. Up next, as a toner, I am gonna use this Neutrogenous Alcohol Free Toner. With the help of a cotton pad, I will apply the toner. As I will take 4 to 5 drops of toner onto my cotton pad. As toning mainly helps to tighten your skin pores, due to which your base makeup will look much smoother. Now I will gently apply the toner all over my face and neck, especially my nose area, where I do have open pores problem the most. Even I will gently apply around my eye areas too. After toning, I will wait for 2 minutes before applying the moisturizer. Actually, I do have combo skin and during summertime I do sweat a lot around my nose and on my upper lip area. So for summertime I use this Neutrogenous Hydro Boost Water Gel to moisture my face. As it's so light and easily absorbed to the skin. So here is how this water gel looks like. Now by taking a small quantity of it, I will apply like dots on my face and neck and even on my eyelids. Now very soft handly I will blend this moisturizing gel from all over my face and neck. As I am almost done with my blending, now I will softly pat on my face, as this way my moisturizer will be easily absorbed into my skin, and even this patting helps with blood circulation. So that's it, as this is how I do my CTM routine, which is cleansing, toning and moisturizing. So bye and see you next time.